Hello, and today we are playing back camping. I want to save up for this. And I got my car crashed because of someone. My car! It's broken! Idea. Where can they go? Lesson. Oh, down here? Give me the crab turtle. Is he not? Let's go to name over here, Peter. Light. He has a pool. He has a trampoline. He has a second floor. He has a basement. He has a first floor. I mean, that's why I want this. Please like and subscribe. Ooh, green. I have one. Who's around? Okay. Mother. This is a very bad one. So it's 10 cat. So that's why it's called a connect tent. Axolotl. Kaboom, I teleported. These. My very good satellite so I can have internet. No, his trees are blocking it. Why didn't I just go to the volcano and then push him in there? Great idea. He is alive! Yay! I don't get it. Oh, this is my camp. This is his camp. If you don't know, the actual biggest tent isn't that. It's actually the, what was it, the tree house. Because the tree house is bigger than this. It's literally a tree. Oh good, evolution. Revolution. Why does everyone have to be better than me? No, there's someone good. Let me quickly write your... Wah, wah, wah. It's gonna take me hours. Yeah. Quickly here. Why don't we go to road trip time? Let's go on a road trip. Let's go on. Yeah. bear spray. These. These. And these actually. The marshmallows. Yeah. Really quickly with how do we get cones to coat? $50. No. I want to go to the mountains, guys. Take you past the river for me. Because I know where I'm going. Because I'm going fast. I never knew. I like just past the canyons. Or those streetlights or mushrooms. Or something else. Infinite. No. Guess we're walking, guys. No, we aren't. Because I am cool. I will glide my way to the Mariana Trench. How do I get out of this water? I don't know how to operate a crane. I don't know how to fly this. I know how to operate a plane. No, no. I need some tips on how to fly that thing. It just teleported me. I'm second place. I didn't know how to fly. Wait a moment. Underground. I don't know how to use any of these. By the way, this is the first part of a friend that to come. Or at least in the next video. Make a new one. Bye bye. 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 Bye bye bye. Subscribe please.